The last tree. In a small village, the residents relied heavily on the forest for timber, fuel, and food. Over the years, they chopped down trees without planting new ones, thinking, "There are so many trees, it will last forever." Eventually, the last tree stood alone, surrounded by a barren landscape. One day, a young girl named Maya decided to protect the last tree. She would water it, keep animals away, and tell the villagers about its importance. Slowly, the villagers began to notice how much they missed the shade, the clean air, and the wildlife that once thrived around the trees. Inspired by Maya's dedication, they decided to plant new trees and restore the forest together. Years later, the village was lush again, filled with life. The villagers learned that taking care of the environment benefits everyone and that even a single tree can make a significant difference. Moral: conservation starts with individual action. Protecting nature leads to the restoration of ecosystems and the well-being of communities.